unboxing of my FabFitFun subscription box. I have for you guys today the fall variation. Ooh. But one thing I do need to mention with this box here, they increased their price. So disappointed. Now, I personally haven't seen the price increase yet because I am an annual member, so I did prepay for the entire year back in winter of last year. So I am coming up on a renewal, and that's how I did notice that, oh, they're about to increase the prices here. Because the annual membership used to be $179.99, it has now increased to $199.99. Monthly boxes used to be $49.99, and now they are up to $54.99 per the box. So they went up a whole $5. And it's just like, come on, can we catch a break here? Everything is going up. It's, oh, awful. So basically I have this box, and then I have to decide if I want to keep the subscription for another whole year. So this box is gonna be kind of crucial. Gotta bring it, FabFitFun. If you want me to keep you, you gotta have like the full deal in here to make me want to stay. So let's just get into this. Let's slice my way through with my little tool here. Oh, I thought that was gonna be a lot easier. Ah. Alright, there we go. Full box. As per usual, we got a little FabFitFun magazine. And like I mentioned, I am an annual member, so I did get to choose between all of the items, so I do know exactly what is going to be in my box, but we are still going to go through all of the customization options together, and then I'll reveal what I picked. So starting off with customization option number 1. First option, we have the Phantom Chef Fry Pan, $40 value. Second, the Summer Fridays Overtime Mask, $46. Third up, we have the Mally and Lily Weekender Bag, cream/black abstract, $128 in value. Fourth, the Trophy Skin, Brighton MD, a $99 value. Fifth, the Food 52 Colander and Bowl Set, $49 value. Sixth, the Gentle Fawn Hermosa Cardigan, $78 value. Seventh, the Living Proof Full Shampoo and Full Conditioner, $60 value. Seventh, the VO Air Purifier with HEPA Filter, $99 value. And then our ninth and final option here was the NARS Blush in either Taj Mahal, Deep Throat, or Orgasm, $32 value. Definitely a lot of options for the first category, and the one I ended up grabbing here was this Weekender bag. This one I was kind of hoping would be like a gym bag. I have my fingers crossed here. Let's investigate. Okay, so here is a close look at the pattern. You do get a large strap inside. Ugh. That would have sucked if I broke that trying to get that out. And then bada bing, bada boom, you got yourself the Weekender bag. So you can have it like that, or just with the little straps, like so. It is a really decent size too. It's actually a lot bigger than I was expecting. As far as me using it for a gym bag, I don't know, because it doesn't really have any kind of pockets. That was a little bit of a stretch for me to think that I could. But for a Weekender bag, yes, this is very cute. This is definitely very practical. I really like the design of this one. We do have the one pocket here in the front though, so we got like a little mini one. And then of course we have one of these pockets on the side wall inside the bag, but that is as far as it goes for any kind of compartment. But yeah, cute little bag. Okay, I am happy with that option there. Let's move on now to the customization number 2. Option 1 was the Glossier Future Dew, $26 value. Second was a bundle of embroidery kit and foldable cotton basket, $90 value. Third was the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizer, $39 value. Fourth, we have the Chic and Tonic 3-piece baking set, $40 value. Fifth, the Babe Original Essential Serum, $49 value. Sixth, the Food 52 Bamboo Measuring Cups and Spoons, blue and green for 28 bucks. Seventh, the Gentle Fawn Huntington Scarf, $40 value. And our eighth and final option was the Fit Plan 3-in-1 Resistance Band Kit in a 3-month app subscription, $67.97. And you may have been able to guess this one, which one I grabbed, because I got the Glow recipe. You guys know I am a big fan of the Glow recipe. I have had nothing but success when it comes to their products. And this one in specific is actually one that I have gotten before, completely used up and loved. So this is a restock item for me. I couldn't help but just grab it because I did really enjoy it when I used it. It's super lightweight, smells like watermelon, just feels amazing on the skin. And I just got the avocado eye cream from Glow recipe, so why not? Let's throw in a little watermelon moisturizer into the mix with it. Moving on though to customization number 3 now. First up, we had the Michael Kors beanie with palm, $48 value. Second was the Necessaire, the body wash eucalyptus, $25 value. Third was the Free People and understated leather carry-on packing cubes, a pack of 2 for 40 bucks. Fourth was the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna, the Stunna Lip Paint Longwear Fluid Lip Color in Unbutton, $26 value. Sixth was the Lily Sadui Brooklyn Sunglasses, $80 value. Sixth was the AJ Carmela Hoop Earrings, $65 value. Seventh, the Sugar Bear Sleep Deep Vitamin Gummies, $29.99 in value. Eighth was the ASN hats, the Harper hat, $68 value. Ninth now, we have the Living Proof Restore Perfecting Spray, $29. 10th, we have the Living Proof No Frizz Vanishing Oil, a $30 value. And 11th and final option for this one was the Living Proof Restore Repair Mask, $38 value. Definitely a whole lot of options for that one. And for me, you guys know I had to grab me some Fenty Beauty. So let's just go dive into this and see what she looks like. Oh, okay. She's in the shade Unbuttoned, or not Unbuttoned, Unbuttoned. And as you guys know, when I get a lip color, she has to be tested out. So let's grab a little mirror and pop it on. I had to test out a little bit of a theory here because it looked an awful lot like what I was already wearing. But it is different in the tones. So Fenty Beauty right down here, and then I was wearing the Dose of Colors Let's Cuddle over here. So the one I was wearing is definitely a lot lighter, a little bit more peachy. It is different. I just had to verify for myself because I was like, hold up, but totally different. And this is one of her lip paints that's gonna be super liquidy when you apply it, and then it just dries down completely. So it is one of those matte liquid lipsticks, which personally I do love a good matte liquid lip. So fabulous, another great item there. But let's move on now to category number 4. And first up, we got the Fire Bamboo Boot Sock, a 2-pack, $24. Second, we had the EPAR Mini Vegetable Chopper, $19.95. Third, the Unite 7 Seconds Leave-In Detangler, $29.50. Fourth, the Lifestyle Co. Natural Green Tea and Aloe Body Polish, $45. Fifth, the Luxie Enchanted Eye Set, $64. And sixth and final option for this one was the Wish Rose Hip and Lotus Mineral Milk Bath, 38 bucks. This one I was stuck between getting the Luxie brushes or the little mini vegetable chopper, and then I was like, well, I've gotten a lot of Luxie brushes. I usually go for that, so I chose the little vegetable chopper. I wanted to try it. So let's unbox it here. And I don't know about you guys, but I keep seeing a whole bunch of vegetable choppers on TikTok, so I have been influenced. How cute is this? Wait, how's it work? Okay. Oh. I apparently did not pay attention to that in the choices. I thought this was gonna be like one of those like with this button and you just, and it chops. No, you gotta like yank at this. Okay, this is for science. And why I chose to put an onion in here with the beauty room, I don't know. I cannot fit a full onion, so I took a half of it, but now I'm realizing not even a half is gonna fit. Oh, I have to cut the half in another half. Hang on. Okay, slice that in half, was able to fit it in here now. There we go. Okay, so it somewhat worked. Some of it I noticed got a little bit stuck to the sidewalls and it couldn't come down with the rest of it, so I got some huge chunky pieces that are kind of left over in there, and then we have some super fine chopped up pieces in there. Oh, I need to, oh God. My eyes, I need to go put this away. And now, of course, my beauty room smells like a mint in here. Great. I think that this is an item that I actually end up regret choosing. I honestly feel like it's gonna be one of those items that it's just gonna sit in the back of my drawer and I'm never gonna reach for it or grab it. I would so much rather have that chopper where you can like press against it and just go choop. You know what I mean? Because I'm already having to bring out a cutting board, cut it in half, cut it in fourths, and then put it in there. I'm already doing a whole lot of cutting steps. I 100% wish I would have gone for the brushes, honestly. But let's go ahead and keep it on moving now to category number 5. And here we got a couple different options. The first being the option of the Glossier Balm.com Birthday, $12 value. We had an EPAR Milk Frother, $24.95. The Cocus Pocus LLC Buffalo Check Baseball Cap, 38 bucks. That is just a hilarious name. Fourth, the Skin Chemist London Pure Collagen Biphase Serum, $39.90. Fifth, the To The Market Wool Dryer Balls, set of 3, $20 value. Sixth, the Black Pumpkin Fresh Peepers, $29 value. And seventh, we got the Daily Concepts Daily Hair Towel Wrap, $18 value. And that's actually the one that I ended up choosing. I chose the Daily Hair Towel Wrap. In hindsight, I did realize afterwards, I was like, dang it, I probably should have grabbed one of the other items because these ones you can find at TJ Maxx and Marshall's for, I want to say, like maybe max $7. Yeah, so that was a little bit of a whoopsie in my eyes. But I mean, it's cute, it's teal. I do enjoy using the towel hair wraps. I have one that is pink that I've had for like a couple of years now, so I think she might need to be replaced, so I'll replace her with this one. But now, finally, for our 6th customization option. And first up, we got the Stojo Collapsible Cup with 4 reusable straws, $32. Second, we had a bundle of embroidery kit and block clock, $65 value. Third was the Balance Me Wonder Eye Cream, $30. Fourth was the Dr. Brandt Skincare Hydrating Essence, $35. Fifth, the Mud Masky Vitamin A Booster Blue Clay, $59 value. Sixth, the Daily Hammam Mitt and Grooming Mitt Bundle, 44 bucks. And then seventh was the Mud Masky Pearl Polish Super Glow Pink Clay Mask, $59. Some of these have just such a long name. I'm just like, oh my gosh. But the one I ended up grabbing was actually this Stojo collapsible set here. This one is a repeating item for the FabFitFun box, but I decided to get it because I grabbed myself it last time and started using it, and then my mom actually really ended up liking it too. So now that I saw that they had it again, I decided to grab the option for her as well. So I'm gonna pull it out for her. Sorry, Mom. But yeah, in case you didn't see that video, it comes with these super cute 4 straws here, silicone. Ooh. You just, like so. Take this little piece that came out with it to be able to hold it because it is silicone. Otherwise, if you hold it, it is going to be squishing around. So you want to take that little piece, put it on your cup, and then you can pull back this piece, put a straw in there. I know my mom's definitely going to really enjoy it. She's always needing cups. Everybody always takes her cups in the family. So I'm going to give her a cup this time. But yeah, that officially wraps up our FabFitFun fall box. Let's quickly calculate my value. $262.95. That is mainly due to the Weekender bag because that one has a value of $128. I was kind of hoping that this fall box would be kind of pushing the envelopes a little bit. You'd get some really cool options, but I do think that this fall box just kind of was a little bit medium, if that's a good way to describe it. Like, it wasn't amazing, it wasn't bad, it was just hovering right in the medium, you know. If I am paying $54.99 per the box, or for an annual membership, basically $200, is this box really worth it anymore? I mean, I've said it with all the other boxes with their increases in prices, but with the raise in price, I kind of expect a little bit more from the boxes because although I know they have to raise the prices in order to kind of keep with the market, if I'm gonna be paying this much money for my box, I want it to be worth it, right? So you wanna make sure that you tailor your boxes really good, I feel. I don't know, guys, what do you think I should do? Should I keep the FabFitFun just for fun, just so that way you guys can see what is going on with the FabFitFun in case you guys are canceling and just want to see what's happening with it. I'll waste my money, or do you guys just think I should just cancel the whole thing? I am a little bit in between here. I need your help. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to decide right now. I have until winter to decide if I want to keep it or not. So please let me know what you guys think. Oh, I think that's where we'll have to wrap up today's video because I won't be able to make a decision right here on the spot. But if you guys liked today's video, please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and hit that little bell button. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!